Hello student, in this lecture we want to study the nature of heat and work. Nature of heat and work. These are the two different form of a energy, that is heat and the work. तो पहला फंक्शन लेंगे अपन, व्हाट इज मीन बाय हीट. हीट का मतलब दैट इज द ट्रांसफर ऑफ एनर्जी. हीट का मतलब transfer of energy due to the temperature difference, that is called a heat. Transfer of energy due to the temperature difference, that is called heat. ख्याल में रखने का, heat it is an extensive property, that is it depends on the quantity of a matter, or again heat is a path function. Heat is a path function. It depends on the path followed by the system. Suppose consider the adiabatic process. So what happen in adiabatic process? That is the system cannot exchange it with the surrounding, that is the Q equal to 0. Suppose consider the isothermal process. Suppose consider the isothermal process, that is the exchange of a heat. Isothermally का मतलब that is a system can exchange heat with the surrounding, that is the Q is not equal to 0, that is its value depends on the adiabatic, depends on the path, whether the process is carried out adiabatically or isothermally, so it is called a path function. उसके बाद में sign of Q, when heat entered in the system, then Q is positive. When heat entered, Q is positive, that is the heat is absorbed by the system, then the heat increases, denoted by the positive sign. और यहाँ पर if heat loses by the system, या फिर heat evolved from the system, then the Q is taken as a negative. तो ये हो गया about the heat. ख्याल में रखने का, वेरी सिंपल डेफिनेशन, दैट इज द हीट एंड वर्क, टू डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ ए एनर्जी. हीट that is the transfer of energy due to the temperature difference. Now it is an extensive property, that is depends on the quantity of a matter. उसके बाद में it is a path function, that is its value depends on the path followed by the system. If the system going on adiabatically, then Q equal to 0. If the system going on isothermally, then Q is not equal to 0. Or sign of Q, if the heat entered, then it is denoted by positive sign. Heat leave from the system, denoted by negative sign. या फिर heat absorbed by the system, gained by the system, denoted by positive sign. Heat is evolved or loses by the system, it is denoted by the negative sign. And these signs are very important while solving the numericals. Okay.